So we're on, I don't know what day we're on, but it's new wheel day. So I picked up some 17-inch wheels from a Focus, which I think I might paint because they're a bit scraped up in places. So I'm going to give them a quick coat of paint and then get them on to the van. That's my shadow. Hello, shadow. Alright, we have new wheels. I need to clean some paint off around the tyre and spray these rear drums, and I need to spray the calipers and maybe put some air in them. But we have 4 tyres all round on shiny new wheels. They're not the best wheels, a bit corroded in places, and I could have sanded them down, but I couldn't be bothered. So it's looking quite cool now. Next step, buy some lowering spray. Put on the trim on the side. And just a quick tip, if you want to bring it back to being black, you just need a heat gun. Really, you should give it a clean first, but I'm not going to. But I don't know how this is going to come out. Just do it in circles over the plastic. And heat the plastic up a bit. What you will see this is going to come out, but as you can see, that's where I've heated it and that's where I've not. It's changed colour, so it's gone to being darker because it brings all the oil out of the plastic. Just been round with the heat gun over all the plastic, and I've sprayed it with Carplan original black spray just to give it some sheen. Little bits here, what you're doing again where it's run. And I still need to clean off some of the black stuff there, and that started peeling off already. But the outside's beginning to look good. I'm thinking 70mm drop at the front and 80mm drop at the rear.